Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can learn your keyboard faster. First I'm going to show you how you can learn keyboard and set your finger like this and how you can learn your keyboard faster. Then I'm going to show you one website where you can easily learn keyboard faster with playing games. The first in here you can see my keyboard. Set your finger like this, the forefinger and the forefinger. F and Z. These two fingers sit like this, then other finger, then other finger, then other finger, like this. This way you can set your finger, but I'm going to show you in Notepad so you can understand better. I'm going to create new text document from here and open this and set your finger like this. First click on F. You can see this two key. This is light up. You can feel that it is little bit high when you touch it. F and Z. So type like this. F, then D, then S, then L. And with this finger, type D. And then Z, K, L, and the last one. Type like this. And with this finger, type this. And upper side, type R, then E, then W, then Q. Don't move all this finger. Use one finger only. Which one you use? Right now I'm going to type this one. U, I, O, P. And the next line you can see on here. And this row, type like this. V, C, X, Z, and use this one for B. And the next one is for M. This one, and this one. And with this finger, type N. So all this key we covered. Now we're going to type our number. So type like this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So in this way you can also type your number. Or if you want to use this one, in the upper side you can see the hashtag. So we can click this one, this one, this one, this one. So I hope you understand all of this. And separately you can see in here, we can also use our number like 1, 2, 3. Now I need to show you one website where you can easily learn your keyboard faster with playing games. Now you can see in here, I open a website. It's called nitrotype.com. From here you can learn typing keyboard faster by playing games. So now click on play now from new user, or if you want to create the account, or if you have an account, then click on login. Now it's load our game. Or if you want to sign up, then you can simply sign up from here. So with this, you can increase your keyboard typing speed. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.